In this video, I will show how to make object appear and disappear in PowerPoint. So, if you have any object and you want to make your object will appear or disappear, like we need to firstly insert one image, like this picture. Click on animation, and in the animation select this appear, add animation, and here select this green fade effect to appear, and also find out this red fade effect to disappear. To see these options, you have to select slideshow. So this is the way you can try to object appear disappear in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.